When I take a video, it's fine, eh? Is that your number? Is that okay?
Greetings, Chomi. I know I'm gonna get hated for this. But why do metric dance? What's the point of the metric dance? Why we do a metric dancing? Especially with underprivileged schools and where we know the kids rely on 560, but mama rely with 370. Why let a metric dancing? No one ever gets online about corporate donation or biometric dancing. For why? Why guys get donation here? Kurai pila pila. Metric dance for the privileged, for kids who went to private schools, for kids who are planned. You know your child is unplanned. And the kids are unplanned, they don't have money. Abana chelete. So what must happen? Happy ke bone school no bana metric dance. Bare yo guys, bara patala ka 1,900. Bana no ba tsa ba kopedi 1,900. They are going to a system place. Ba ba ka di makeup, ba nya go di nails, di buff and shine, ba nya ka guys, ba nya go di miriri, ba nya ka di tlhako, ba nya ka di dresses, show me. And then rena no to serba donitele ba botle. And I'm going to tell you to donate kana ba diri mala. Actually that's not the point. The point is this thing is for the privileged and also ya tlhwana bana ke pressure necessary for bana. Le fana pressure necessary. Abana yona chomi. The other school bana ka 3,500. Wait ka 3,500 bana ba. Wait ka bo mabona wait ka ba di la go di 370. Unemployment rate in South Africa yona. And also fundraising committee, what is your job? Because you know, what's your job? You knew metric dance is coming and you want to do it. What's your job? The leader and the whole year. Because from January, when I said the event, it is a chalete. And tell you some for metric dance, since it's so important to you guys. At schools, you need to do your job and do fundraising. Meet with parents. Talk about this. Do donations if you have to. And also, now, the results, we hope the schools are performing. Not my step out, the channel, the metric dance. Not the only money I can donate to go on to application, apply, le campaign, ngwana ya campaign, ba nyaka di 1,000 ka mo donate la ocean. Either ka mo advocate la campaign or to tutor on the exam. Metric dance. La ringela shem yo happy to kill him late to go online. I'm just like way okay, take a different opinion, obvious, but wena o jealous, so fix your heart in your vile. Oh my gosh, and already this teacher. La roa cause late waiti. But oxala you metric dance useless. Do a nice event for these kids, a farewell event where they're gonna wear nice t-shirts, they look all the same and wear beautiful jeans, and then they do their hair. Kids, man, Benin Betty, whatever, show me, but she want makatama to ID. But they show me, Banamara Batrita on a day, Raveta dinner. That time they were steady fancy. A beautiful, nice, small event. Not Manaman 2,000 because like with Sun City, 3,500 because like with a diamond for metric dancing. Abana never take experience at the university. But to catch out Nefsa, but he said he played Nefsa again, China, 1,007. And about the experience also have a reka. Yo, well, if I to an unnecessary prayer, Jabaton. Oh, guys, the metric dance are important, though useless. Metric dance is useless. During our time, metric dance, some of my people, our friends didn't go. And I'm asking because the was not challenge and no give one. It was so wrong. Because they couldn't afford. Not everybody went. Even though we got a privilege to go, but now think about it was useless actually. Reading metric dancing, another reading.
Social media is such a weird place. You know, I came across this video of this young boy who is standing at the robots and is asking for donations for his metric dance. What puzzles me the most is the adults in the comment sections who are like, oh no, we didn't go to our metric dance and we made it, we're fine. Or peer pressure. Or somebody said he should be focusing on varsity. Metric dance is just one night. No, it's his dream. And my thing is, some of you guys accepted a no because of your situations and did not think to see another way around it. Some of you accepted with no isimo sasekhaya sinje and ikuphelela lapho, and that's okay, but let him be. He's finding a way through it. He's found another way to say, I am gonna go to that matric dance, whether come rain or sunshine, no magunjani, okusalayo matric dance I want to experience, and it's his dream. So do not discourage him just because wena isimo sakho was accept. The opportunity meets those who are at the dance floor. He woke up that Saturday or that Sunday to go and ask, did not force, did not steal, ask. Because he knows that mengabi situation like her inje akusho ukuthi ngaphandle kukanje. He knows where to go and ask. Commend him on that. This is no different to the situation of your guys' children coming to us with raffle sheets or donations or asking for donations from door to door, and we will open the door and we'll give your children. We do not say, but where's the mother who will fill this whole raffle sheet and just instead of you just going from door. No, it is teaching the children to be persistent. It is teaching the children to be tenacious. And this boy is doing exactly that. And I am convinced that the reason why it bothers some of you is because some of you have had to give up your dreams because of one no. You guys are the same ones who will support young children who come here and ask celebrities to accompany them to their matric dance. Why can't you do the same to him? All he wants is to attend his matric dance. He knows what it will mean to him to attend that one night. He knows what it will mean to him to look good in that one night and forget all his problems as a young boy in matric. That's his only dream. University. All he wants is to just attend his matric dance. It's his dream. And my thing is, don't block his dream or dismantle his dream just because you are okay with getting a no once and that is enough to end your life. Don't think his dream is null and void just because when you are okay with receiving a no. And if you want to donate to the boy, the number is on the board. Please, there's the guy's name here. And shout out to all those who are reposting the video and commenting positively on that video.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Sinemfana lofunza matric lobonakala emgwaqeni abambe ibhodi lebhale ukuthi ucela ama donations e-matric dance, wabhala nenamba yakhe laphayana ebantwini sinzweni ukuthi bantwana baka-matric labaningi bakhona actually sebathoya ku-matric dance. So umfana uthi ucelela ama-donations ebantwini ngokuthi atimele emarobhothini atibhalele le-card box lakhe akhombe abantu. Anyone who wants to donate angadonate, ifakele ngisho nenombolo yakhe yeliqingo. Sekunabantu abamdreka lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana lo mntwana omncane lona bathi bantu i-matric dance ayikabaluleki. There was no need ukuthi acele imali e-matric dance ngabe ucela imali yokuregister esikoleni for next year. Hayi i-matric dance sama sengukuthi he needs to accept i-situation yakubo. Uma banga-afford ahlale phansi instead of going around acela ama-donations ebantwini. But kunebantu labangazange bayithande lento leyo, lama-comments lela bhalwa abantu enkundleni yokuxhumana dragging lo mfana for ucela ama-donations because sibabonile abantu abaningi bacela ama-donations and kubasebentela, and people are saying ukuthi niyakhona ukudonatela ama-celebrity, niyakhona ukudonatela bantu babo Big Brother, but niyahluleka ukudonatela mfana omncane lofisa kuya ka-matric dance nimtshela ukuthi aka-accept isimo kokuthi akanako. Why ama-celebrity niyakhona khipha imali yokugcina nidonatele bantu le already banemali. Mbukela ubeke imbono wakho ukuthi ucabangani wena ngebantu abadrega lo mfana lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana. Do you also think ukuthi he needs to accept the situation yasekhaya? Do you also think ukuthi there was no need ukuthi hamba acela ama-donations, or do you think ukuthi uma abantu bangakhona kumdonatela bamdonatele ayi-matric dance njengoba afisa kuyakhona? Mina nawe siyohlakana kulenye lensha letake video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.